Isang laban na naman na para kay Magsayo ay napakasimple. Walang kahirap-hirap mga idol. Kung tawagin ay easy fight. Alright, panoorin natin mga idol. Grabe ang mga body shot dito ni Magsayo. Oh. Uy, sakit niyan mga idol. Grabe. Load kalaban mga idol.
Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You have to look at the scars.
Caro, he's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Brian's an experienced fighter. Speed, power, he's got it. He's letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot right there.
Big Styles cutting the ring off right now. He just, he's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go.